Hello and welcome to Whiteland Restorations.
Apologies from us for the lack of videos. It's not for the want of trying.
No.
We have been so busy with everything. We have filmed it, but we just haven't had time to edit everything, have we?
Yeah, I've literally been in the shed every single day, probably 10, 12-hour days trying to catch up with stuff.
It's been full on.
It has been full on.
Yeah. We've also got our first big car show of the year coming up for Wheels for Wales in less than 5 weeks. And out of the 4 cars we wanted to take,
one is working.
One is working. 2, maybe the second one is working now. Maybe.
Surprisingly, the only one that is working is the super unreliable BMW.
No, right?
So that's a 10 out for the books. I killed the Volvo.
Volvo got killed, but
it's coming back to life.
I did find just a little thing that was. We'll do it in a video.
Yeah, we'll see it next. The tuning video for the carburetors.
It's going
we'll see what's going on. But yeah, it's nearly there. We just got to finish the tuning
and test drive.
Yeah, it turns out we had some problems with the carbs. We had to take them back off. But like I said, tune into the video.
We'll explain all.
Christine looks absolutely gorgeous.
She look at this. Look at this. Doesn't that car look bloody beautiful? She has had her wash and she is running beautifully.
Yeah, really nice. Tickover's a bit high, like at 2000. But,
is that temperature related?
Yeah, it is. Once it gets to the temperature, it does drop. But that's too high. So I've got to do some more tuning. But she's running beautifully. This is another E30.
Yeah, look at this one.
I'm not sure if there's going to be a video on this. We're typically hectic to film every single thing. But they'll definitely, I'm thinking, a comparison video between these two E30s because they are so different.
They're very different.
They are built different. They're
different
just
animals,
very different. We're going to do like a comparison video of how the two ways you can, there's loads of ways you can modify your car, but basically it's going to be
the different ways these have gone.
Yeah, the different ways these two cars have gone.
In other news, we accidentally bought another project that we said we were never going to do again.
Yeah, we're not buying more projects, so we've got
another one to look at on Monday.
Wow.
Yeah.
And one sat outside.
And one sat outside. Videos coming on them soon.
Club Sport
news.
Isn't even in this building anymore.
I had a message from Lewis. Club Sport's gone into storage, and I'm like, what? We got 5 weeks left, mister.
I know.
But I have managed to source every single part for doing the gearbox D-dent pins. Is it D-dent or D-tent?
D-tent.
D-tent pins. Because it's got the 5th gear lean.
Yeah.
Got all the parts. The only thing I couldn't find was the tooling to do it. So you're going to make your own tools.
I'm going to make my own tooling.
Yeah.
It's just the time I don't have. Again, I've been in here 7 days a week, 10, 12-hour days.
It's crazy. Absolute craziness.
I've just been flat out. The workshop looks like chaos because of the chaos.
I've got a pile of raffle prizes here that I need to unpack and take videos and pictures of. They're coming. Don't worry. It's
great raffle prizes.
Fantastic raffle prizes.
The last one went down really well.
Yeah.
The guy who won the Milwaukee Tours, extremely happy. Obvious, which he would be because
you were very sad to see it go, weren't you?
£1 for like 600 quid's worth of tools. That's pretty damn good.
Pretty good deal.
Yeah.
But we'll be getting those up shortly. Again, we've got stuff that we can't film and show you. That is
impacting on the filming stuff.
Yeah.
But we're saving up. We've saved up an entire load over the past 6 months or so.
Yeah.
We've been saving the Subaru videos up to do as a series. So that's coming out. There'll be like 6 episodes or something.
I think at the end of the day, we'd rather put out fewer videos that are better quality than a load of tosh. Yeah, no tosh videos from us.
Not anymore.
Well, not anymore.
Apart from this one,
this one could have a little sprinkling of tosh on it.
Not sure about that.
Yeah, but we are now going to be putting our coffees down, cracking on with the Subaru, and we're going to be doing a live. So you're probably going to see the live before you see this video.
Yes. Shall we have a walk around the workshop?
Let's have a walk around.
Yeah,
I'll give you a little update.
As
As you're in here. Here we go. Look at this is the front of the workshop. There's so many things. We need to have a good old what's the word? Tidy up. That's it.
It was so nice and clean. I did before it got very chaotic. I had a lovely tidy up, and it was very tidy.
It happens so easily.
Yeah, it does.
Really does. But look at this sat here. Isn't she gorgeous? Now I've been thinking, Lewis, I might black out the headlights, tint out the headlights, removable films.
I thought that from day one.
Yeah, you did, didn't you?
So yeah.
What do you think? Comments below, guys. Should
I've got
I?
film tint. We could test one out.
We could test one out.
Yeah.
I'm just thinking, just black out the front.
Yeah.
And then, because the LEDs are really bright, they'd pop through anyway.
Oh god. Yeah.
But it's a daytime car.
Yeah.
And they'd be removable. Anyway, she is awaiting her first season wash, but even still,
And a bit of a tune.
Oh yeah, tuning. I'm really enjoying the tuning, to be honest.
Yeah,
It's a lot different to the SU tuning on the MG. Milking. It's like milking, is it? Right, milking what, a cat? Look at it. We got everything here. Look, this is customer's E30, not ours. Yeah. We haven't bought another one.
No, so we're fitting an M Sport rear bumper, an M-Tech rear bumper, M-Tech 2, and an M3 style spoiler. That's what we bolted down.
Yeah.
We also had to clean up because these arches were cut back to get fitment. They've been done horribly. They're not stuck together at all. So we just need to
smarten them up a bit.
Smarten that up a little bit. Obviously, it's an E30. We found a fair amount of rot. So
fixing that as well.
Saw the customer last night. He came over and he says, "Yeah, just weld it up." So
it's what's funny. Done.
Outer arch, lovely. Inner arch, completely gone.
Oh, inside out rot.
Yeah. I don't know if we would find a welded on arch under there. I'm not going to go looking.
Don't go prodding. Right. Christina is practically show ready. I'm so jealous.
She's gorgeous, isn't she?
She is gorgeous. Look at that. Yeah. So obviously on high alert with it being next to a work area and toolboxes, please.
Yeah, it goes out when it's worky time. And then all the pollen lands on it, and then it gets really dirty really fast.
Black cars get dirty so fast, don't they?
Especially when they're like really, really clean.
Oh, what a lovely interior! I don't know. Do you remember the interior of the E30? It is gorgeous. It really is. I do love that. To the booth.
Sorry, DPD members there open.
DPD. Ooh. And this is what we are working on today, everyone. We are. Look at this. This is the Subaru. Lewis has finished painting all the panels. It is rebuild the jigsaw time. We're going to do a bit of treatment. Oh, I've got flicky lights. Hold on.
Oh, it's very flickery.
It's very flickery in here.
And we changed the lights up, and now they're very, very flickery.
It all depends on the angle you hold the camera. It's really weird. So we're going to do a bit of rush treatment, aren't we, and preventative work.
Yeah. So as the carpets are out, it's the perfect time to spray some Dynax in every single hole and basically prevent rust for many, many more years to come, because it's a really well looked after clean car.
This is a special Impreza, isn't it?
These arches usually rot out completely, and there's zero rot here.
It's wanted for nothing over its life, and now it's going to look the business as well. So I'm really looking forward to getting this back together. So it's such a good blue as well.
We're going to be doing that this morning. Bit of Dynaxing and stuff, then we'll have to leave it set and get on with other things.
But it's going to be fun doing a live. So Lewis is going to get a tripod, and we're going to set up, I think.
That's right. Should we go and see the other thing we got, the one outside?
Okay, then go on then. What are we going to find outside? Oh. Say hello to Maggie the T5. Isn't she glorious? This is the new work stroke family van.
Yeah.
We got some cracking videos on this. Wait till you see how disgusting it was when we got it all. We're still in the process of cleaning it up. Everything had to come out. And it wasn't pretty, was it?
We've outgrown my little Mavanwi, the Caddy.
Yeah.
We've outgrown it. So Caddy's coming up for sale soon. If anybody wants a really clean
low mileage Caddy,
like 77,000 miles,
if that.
So low. Hit us up.
Hit us up. Drop us
to do
a message.
A whole load of brand new parts on it, because thanks to a sponsorship. So not only will you get a really clean caddy, it's going to be belts will be done full service, and full new suspension through, and new discs and pads. I think so.
We'll take all the decals off.
For, like...
We'll give it a little bit of a polish. It'll be glorious. But unfortunately, 2-seater sports van is not cutting it anymore. So it's now time for the big one.
4-seater sports van?
No, 5-seater sports van. Wow. Yeah, this is going to be awesome because you know what else, Lewis? This can tow things.
Yeah, that's why we need a bigger thing, so we can have a tow vehicle.
Yeah, because the Yeti, I'm still umming and ahhing whether to get rid of the Yeti or not. I do love it so much, but it can't tow a car trailer and a car on it.
Not our car trailer anyway.
Not our car trailer. So this is it. This is Maggie, and you'll find out why she was called that in an upcoming episode.
Back inside.
Jaunty angles are good.
Are they?
Are you comfy there?
The chair's wobbly.
Mine's okay. Ooh, yeah, because we've been really busy. Look at these brand new seat covers.
Brand new seat covers.
While we are searching for a new interior for the van. But yeah, thanks very much for watching, and thanks for your patience as well. I know it's been tricky not having many videos. We've had a lot of emails and messages saying, "Is everything okay?"
Yeah, we're fine.
We're okay.
We're just busy.
We're just plodding along, aren't we? Right then, how about we get the live set up and we jump over there and put this Impreza back to 100%. Right, guys, we'll see you very, very soon.
Ciao.
Ciao.